Hello, this is Snow White, and I need your help with this one. What is making this sound? This woke me up from a dead sleep about 3 weeks ago, and it was about 3 o'clock in the morning, and it's some kind of a whistle whine sound. I don't know what's making it. It was loud, much louder than the audio indicates because it was a crappy recorder that I put in the window to catch any sounds during the night. and My first thought was a fox, but I don't know that it's a fox. So any help would be appreciated. And thank God I have a better sound recorder now. I just got, so anything I get in the future should be better quality. So you might want to use headphones also.